Hopefully you've got a good handle on area from doing those previous questions. Now we're going to do some composite shapes. So composite shapes means it's made up of some different shapes. So let's have a look at A, and this isn't a circle, but it's part of a circle, and we call that a sector. So if this is 80 degrees on the outside, what's left to get 360 is 280 degrees. So I want to get 280 degrees out of 360 and then times that by the area. Don't be tricked because this is 80 and that's sort of the trick. A lot of kids would use 80, but if you're doing that, you're finding this bit, whereas we actually want to find this bit. All right, so we go 280 over 360 times pi times 3 squared, because 3 is our radius. And if we do that, your calculator will say 7 pi. And it says write your answer as an exact value. That's my exact value. And as a decimal to 2 decimal places. So if you do your control enter, you get 21.99 centimetres squared. So there's 2 answers, one that's exact and one that is approximate. This is a bit tricky for B. We've got 2 things here. It consists of a square. That's going to be easy enough because this is 5 and this is 5. So the square is easy. It's 5 times 5, 25. The other thing this has got is this is like a quarter circle. So this bit is the quarter circle. So if I can find that, I can take that from the 25 here, and then what that will leave me with is what is here. So for the quarter circle, I'm going to say square, take away quarter circle. So it's, just do that again so you can see it. It's the square, and I'm going to take away that quarter of the circle, and it's going to leave me with the bit that I want. So let's do that. So it's the square is 25. Take away a quarter times pi times r squared. The radius of this circle from there to there is 5. So 25 times pi times r squared. So if I work that out, I get, I'm not sure because the book did it differently and I haven't done it exactly, but if you put in this plus the answer to this, your answer in the end should be 50 minus 25 pi on 4. That's your exact answer. And then to 2 decimal places, when you work that out, it should be 30.37 metres squared. Now, the book does give another way of doing it. So if you want to look at that way, this makes sense to me, but you can also look at the example 9 in your textbook if you want to listen to that one. I'd like you to go through now and you can finish off the 6C questions.